Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a paper airplane. There's actually two ways to make it, so I'm going to show you both. I'm going to do step by step, okay? I'm going to start. I'm going to do it as slowly as I possibly can, okay? Let's start. First, you fold one end like this. Okay? So it should look like this. Then you do the same to the other side. Make sure they're both even, so then after it can fly better, okay? Make sure that it's like a little house, okay? Then you fold these two sides the same, like this, okay? Fold them like this. Another airplane fold, okay? But this one's way bigger, okay? And you do the same with the other side, okay? You can twist the sides a little, it doesn't really matter, okay? Okay, so it should look like this, okay? Now, okay? Now we're gonna fold the other side, another airplane fold. So we're gonna fold it like this, all the way to the other side, so all the corners meet. Okay, so it's like this. Okay? Doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see mine is really sucky. So, yeah, okay. Then we're gonna fold the two sides like this. Okay? We're gonna fold the two full sides. Okay, like this. It should look like this. And do the same on the other side. Okay. I'm not quite done yet. See if my airplane is sucking because, okay, so it should look like this. Okay, now you're practically ready to fly it. Mine's practically gonna suck, but okay. Ready? Go and fly as far as you can. You can hear mine hit the ground. Okay, here's how to make another type of paper airplane. Later I'm going to show you guys who learned all the steps. I'm going to show you guys how you can go crazy with airplanes, okay? Now, you do the same thing. You fold the two flaps on top. This is my favorite way, personally, because it comes out better. Make sure the two little sides at the bottom are even. Okay? So, like this, again, like a little house, okay? This step is different. You're going to bring this point down to here. You're going to bring the whole point down to here. So it looks like a mail load. Okay? Okay, you're going to smooth it out. All the corners, everything. Okay, then you're going to do two airplane folds. This is probably the hardest step. You're going to do two airplane folds. here, and here, so that it can be close enough that this point can cover them both. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys. Do 2 little airplane folds and put it right at the bottom. Now, again, other side, of course. Then it should look like this. Okay? Here. See this? That is the end you have to fold after, so it could go on top of these two. Okay, so let's fold the end. Make sure you flatten it out right, so it looks like this. Okay? Then, okay, then you put it to the ground on the other side, and you fold it like this, okay? Okay, you fold it like this. Should be the same on both sides. Okay, then you do the same like at the other airplane's end. You fold it like this, and do the same on the other side. See? Now you can see this is covered. These flaps don't come out. So that makes your airplane better. Okay, now you can fly it again. Okay? In the next video I make, I'm going to show you guys how to go crazy to make little small airplanes. Okay? See you next time. Bye!